What's going on, guys? HowToAdvance back with another video. And today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate lava cake the best way. If you stay until the end of the video, you will be able to learn these techniques and be on your way to applying them. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe, and check out the description box below. Now let's get into the video. Chocolate lava cakes, with the delectably rich molten chocolate centers, are made with just 6 simple ingredients. This surprisingly simple dessert takes only 25 minutes to prepare and always impresses. If you don't have ramekins, use a muffin pan instead and follow our instructions. Today we're making classic chocolate lava cakes. Despite the fact that peanut butter chocolate lava cakes are truly magical, we've had a lot of requests for a plain chocolate version. As a result, we decided to make them. After all, it is chocolate molten lava cake. Molten cakes are always a crowd pleaser, and they taste even better when made from scratch. You'll appreciate that lava cakes, like chocolate cupcakes, come in single servings. Consider making a rich and fudge-like flourless chocolate cake if you prefer a gluten-free option. What is the popular chocolate lava cake? In a nutshell, the center is ultra molten. There is no need for a mixer. There are only 6 ingredients. A very short bake time. There is no need for cooling time. How to make chocolate lava cakes in a nutshell. Let's go over it quickly so you understand each step before you begin. Make 4 6-ounce ramekins. Before filling with batter, lightly coat each ramekin with non-stick spray and a dusting of cocoa powder. This preparation aids in the smooth release of the baked lava cake from the ramekin onto the plate for serving. Begin by making the chocolate cake batter. Fill each ramekin halfway with batter. Bake. The hot oven cooks the outside of the mini cakes but leaves the center slightly gooey. The tops may appear a little soft. Turn the ramekins upside down. Turn the freshly baked lava cakes upside down onto plates with care. Add toppings and dig in while warm. Ramekins versus muffin pan. We recommend making these lava cakes in 6-ounce ramekins, which are the perfect size for single-serving desserts. You can also use the same ramekins to make chocolate fudge cakes for 2, chocolate souffle, peanut butter chocolate lava cakes, and lemon pudding cakes. If you don't have ramekins, a muffin pan will suffice. To prevent the lava cakes from sticking, grease and dust 6 muffin pan cups with cocoa powder. Because your lava cakes will be slightly smaller, you will receive 6 lava cakes rather than 4. For 8 to 10 minutes, bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 218 degrees Celsius. Remove the cakes from the pan with a spoon and place them upside down on plates. Optional chocolate lava cake toppings. The real fun begins when the warm lava cakes are inverted onto plates. So many toppings complement these chocolate lava cakes perfectly. Here are a few of our personal favorites. Ice cream. Chocolate ganache. Red wine chocolate ganache. Melted peanut butter. Salted caramel. Whipped cream. Mocha whipped cream. Sprinkles. Fresh berries. Thank you for watching the entire video. Good luck and stay tuned.